Hi friends, today we are going to discuss simple tips about weight loss. At the beginning of the video, I would like to thank Dr. Michael Greger. His work has immensely helped me for making this video, and also his work has helped me to stay fit and make my patients even fit. I would highly recommend his website nutritionfacts.org for more detailed knowledge. Let's come on to the tips. Few things which we can do before starting a meal is that we can have a glass of water. Now, once we have a glass of water before the meal, our stomach is a little bit full. So we end up having less. Having less means consuming less calories. This done daily can help you reduce weight. The second tip is that you can start with a salad. Now the salads, are basically, are having low calorie density, especially if you're thinking of cucumber, carrots, tomatoes, watermelon. Now when you have these before the meal, you are basically occupying a part of the stomach. So your hunger reduces, you ultimately have lesser quantity of processed or cooked food. Now what happens is when you have a salad before which is high in fiber, the fiber reduces the absorption of fats and carbohydrates and sugars. Now once that happens, so let's, for example, if you're having 400 calories in your lunch, the actual absorption is 250 calories. So you're having a negative calorie food before your meal starts. The third tip is when you plan your meals, it needs to be undistracted. When you're watching television, you're reading a newspaper or watching a mobile, any exciting or breaking news, shoots up our pulse or our BP. That gets us excited, but that's not good for our digestion. In fact, I recommend to all that before starting your meals, you can take 5 slow, deep breaths or the pranayamic breaths. What happens is that it cools down your heart rate, your blood pressure, you feel relaxed. And when you have an undistracted meal, you will actually be conscious of how much you're eating. The other point, when you're eating, chew your food slowly and properly, make it into a paste. The first step of digestion starts with your mouth. And once it is into a paste, the stomach and the intestines have to work much lesser. Hence, your issues like gastritis, acidity, reflux, bloating, flatulence will reduce to a great extent. And when you chew it slowly, have an undistracted meal, especially if you do it over a 20-minute period, you tend to eat less. It takes 20 minutes for the stomach to signal to the mind that your stomach is full. Have you ever experienced, when you're sitting in a restaurant and you had your starters, and if the main course takes a bit longer and the main course comes, you realize you're already kind of full, or you ordered your dessert and dessert takes unusually long, and when the dessert comes, you're not even able to enjoy it because you're full, because that 20-minute principle comes into picture. Apart from this, you can have a more heavier breakfast. It's said that you need to have your breakfast like a king, lunch like a rich person, and dinner like a saint, so that you're front loading your calories, because the way body handles calories in the morning and the evening is very different. The same amount of food will be processed in a different way because we are attuned to circadian rhythm. So try to have your last meal before the sun set. So in this way, you will be respecting the circadian rhythm, and you will also be doing an intermittent fasting. And along with that, if you sleep on time, then your body is getting sufficient recovery period that helps you to lose weight, stay fit, and also reduces the chances of reflux. Along with these things, if you can incorporate vinegar in your food, like 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, you can put it over your salad, in your green smoothie, or just drink it with a glass of water. Helps boost your metabolism and reduce weight. These were my few weight loss tips. If you have any suggestions or tips for me or any questions, I would be happy to answer. Please do write it in the comment section. Thank you.